Hi, welcome to TunesKit. If you're locked out of your Apple ID or simply forgot your password, don't worry, today's video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to use the iforgot website to recover your Apple ID. Reset your password safely. Let's get started. First, open any browser and type iforgot.apple.com into the address bar. You'll be taken to Apple's official account recovery page. Then click Reset Password. Next, enter your phone number or email linked with your Apple ID. Verification code. And click Continue. Confirm your phone number. At this point, you'll receive a notification saying that a verification message has been sent to your trusted device. You'll see a screen like this, and all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to complete the password reset. If you're unable to access your iPhone, tap Don't have access to your iPhone, and you'll see 3 available options. Method 1. Use someone else's iOS device. On another person's iPhone, open Safari and go to the iforgot website. Tap Reset Password. Then enter the Apple ID you want to reset. Confirm your trusted phone number and tap Continue. The system will send a verification code to your trusted phone number. Next, enter the lock screen passcode of the iPhone that belongs to the locked Apple ID, and you'll be able to reset the password successfully. Method 2. Reset your password while signing in on a new device. Find an iPhone that has never been signed into an Apple ID. Skip the login step and choose Forgot Password directly. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Method 3. Use an iOS device at an Apple store. This method is similar to the first one. You'll also be using another iPhone, but this time, download the Apple Support app. Then search for Reset Password and tap Help Someone Else. Enter the email address or phone number of the Apple account you want to reset, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the password reset. But if you're stuck and can't pass Apple's verification, then official recovery won't work, and you may need a professional tool. This is when you can try an alternative solution like TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, which can remove Apple ID or reset your device even when you don't have the password or access to the trusted phone number. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. It will detect your device model. Step 2. Make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone 2-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information. Click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. After the download is completed, the system will automatically parse the firmware package. Step 4. Start to unlock your iPhone. Please note that after starting to unlock, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID on your iPhone will be removed. Then you can log in with your new Apple ID. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.